Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to unfair a game using Roblox's API. Don't worry, this is safe. This is for people who can't copy link address for some reason, etc. etc. So first, you need to copy the first link in the description. It is our Roblox API URL. Make a new tab and paste it. We need the game link too, so make another tab and paste it. Now go back to your Roblox tab. At the top, you copy your user ID. Switch tabs and paste or replace user ID with your user ID. The only issue about doing this method is that the API gives you about half of the first page games. So if you got a game you can't access as your first at the top, this tutorial is for you. Pick any game you want to unfavorite. I'm gonna pick Galleons. Control plus F to search up the name. Then look for the root place ID, highlight and copy it. Then go to the game tab and press play. And where it says root place ID, you enter the ID you just copied. And it will bring up the prompt, so press yes. It will unfavorite and then go back to your favorites page and then hit refresh and see if it worked. Thank you for watching. Bye.